At 12:24, this is a live look outside courtesy of Sky 5 here in Weslaco, and boy, it is a beautiful day all across the valley. We have plenty of blue sky out there, the occasional cloud from time to time, but other than that, not much going on. But it is a hot one. Right now it is 91 degrees with that southeast wind on average about 14 miles per hour. Look at across the rest of the valley. 94 Rio Grande City and McAllen, to about 90 in Brownsville, and still 89 closer to the coast and in Raymondville. But of course it does feel even hotter than that, and that's because we have a good amount of humid air around us. So in the areas where we're in the mid 90s like McAllen and Rio, it does feel like 102 to 107 degrees out there. Everywhere else feels like the upper 90s, while the actual temperature readings are in the low 90s. So for the rest of the day, you can bet that southerly wind flow, that south to southeast wind that we have, it'll stay between 8 and 16 miles per hour. But the thing about it, it's going to continue to draw in that humidity. It's going to continue to feel even hotter as the day goes on. Here are your valley high temperatures city by city. The triple digits, Rio Grande City and McAllen. Everywhere else, mid to upper 90s and even the upper 80s closer to South Padre Island. So if you want to beat the heat, definitely head to the island. It's a beautiful day out there to enjoy the water. Looking at the First Warn 5 Future Track forecast, let's put the clock in motion starting at noon. And there's not much going on this afternoon, just a few clouds around from time to time. Now, as we head into the overnight hours, we will see clear skies. Temperatures overnight will stay pretty mild in the upper 70s. Starting tomorrow, however, we are tracking a small chance for rain. This particular model shows that we'll have coastal showers in the morning, and then as that sea breeze front starts to make its way inland, maybe a few more showers will make its way into the mid-valley. But for the upper valley, I can't rule out maybe something stray, but your rain chances are very slim. Not much action for everyone around the I-69C corridor and areas west of that. Areas east of that have a better chance, and even then your chance is pretty slim, near 20%. Now as we head into midweek, we could see a stray shower, but for the most part, we're back to mainly dry conditions after a few spotty showers tomorrow. So just have your umbrella with you. You may get one of those showers, you might not. And by Wednesday, it should all be over with for now. Now, as we head into the Father's Day forecast, you'll see that there's plenty of sunshine out there. A few more clouds in the sky will help keep temperatures in the upper 90s, and we are going to see mainly dry conditions for that holiday. But let me tell you, before that, on Saturday, it's going to be a steamy one in the triple digits. Now, we are tracking the tropics on Channel 5 News at noon. Let's take a look here at the Gulf and the Atlantic. Still very quiet with no tropical storm development expected over the next 2 to 5 days. But as we zoom over into the Pacific, we still have Tropical Depression 3E moving northwest, still very slowly, 3 miles per hour. This is going to be a rainmaker for Chiapas, Oaxaca, as well as Guerrero. But when you look at this particular system, you see that little tropical storm icon in there. So it still has the potential to become Tropical Storm Calvin before it actually moves onshore. And then after that, it would really fizzle out pretty quickly. But still, something that we'll be watching over the next 24 hours. Along our own coast, no major developments, just a moderate chop on the bay near shore waters, 2 to 4 feet. Again, no advisories. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. We'll be in the upper 90s midweek. So mainly dry out there for your Flag Day forecast after a few showers on Tuesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the heat is on 99, 99, 100, and then 97 for Father's Day. Mainly dry forecast there. Overnight lows will be in the mid to upper 70s. So after Tuesday, really not much showers in the forecast for Tuesday, but by early next week, it does look like we could have some scattered showers return to the forecast for Monday and Tuesday. And that's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Let's go back to Alan for more news.